Ina, meron akong first aid kit dyan. Ah.
Punta na kaya tayo sa ospital.
Ah.
Sorry.
Huwag na. Konting sugat lang naman. Ikaw, kamusta ka? Nasaktan ka ba?
Oo, okay lang ako. Wala namang masakit sa akin. Thank you. Thank you for saving me. Ano kasing ginagawa mo dun?
Nagtatanong ka pa talaga? Come on, just be thankful at the fact na nandun ako at naligtas pa kita.
Ito naman, laging galit sa akin. Nag-thank you naman ako Hindi ko lang na-expect na tutulungan mo ko.
Because what you did was so stupid, you know? What if ikaw yung nasaksak, ikaw yung nasaktan, napahama ka pa? That's the problem with you. Ang tapang-tapang mo, nakala mo you could do anything.
Sa totoo lang, Yuan. Kabaliktaran yan yung nararamdaman ko. Takot na takot kaya ako kanina. Akala ko mamamatay na ako.
Ina, you're safe now.
I know how much you hate me. And I would understand kung iniwanan mo na lang ako doon. But you didn't. Hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Yeah, thank you. Tapos yan tuloy. Sugatan ka pa rin dahil sa akin. Bakit mo kasi ginawa yun
Magkaaway tayo. And you're right. I hate every single thing about you. Made my life miserable. But you know, Ina, I won't let anything bad happen to you.
Si Lola. Hello, Lola?